I have a pile of items that need sorting. I can either sort each item individually and put it away, or I can organize them by category and place each category into its own bin. I prefer sorting items by category because it allows me to see all the items in each category at once. This way, I can determine if I have too many items in one category and decide whether to donate what I don't need to charity. Organizing by category and using bins helps me evaluate whether to keep the items in the same bin or move them to a smaller one. It also assists with determining where I will store all the items in each category. The exchange process is the most challenging part of sorting. You determine how much you want of something, and if you have excess, you donate the difference. Consider these questions for each item you own. Do I love it? Do I need it? When was the last time I used it? Do I have multiple items that are the same? Why do I need more than one of the same item? If you answer yes to any of these questions, consider donating it. As you begin to declutter, you learn to cherish the things you have. The next video will cover the types of bins I use in my organization system.